Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 49th video from the eShop web project development series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the design of the selling history page. So in this design, there are some features as search by invoice ID, from date to date, and a button called find. Then over here, y'all can see that the invoice ID, product, buyer, amount, quantity, and MTDO, and those IDs, products, buyer, amount, quantity, and some buttons as confirm order. So that is the design that we are going to do over here. So now let's check what I have done in my backend code to do this. So for this, I'm using another file called sellinghistory.php. So for this sellinghistory.php, for the head, I have given the usual links. And when we go down, the usual unique, it's not usual, it's a unique linear gradient background and a container fluid and a row. Then first, for my selling history, I have given a label as text primary, FW bold, and a FS1. Then, for my next div, I have given a call 12 BG light and a MT3 and a MB3. So for this, I have given a row and search by invoice ID as a form label and a FS3, FS5. Then another input field as a text where the class is a form control and a FS5 and an ID is search text on key up search invoice ID. So this is not what we are going to talk over here because we'll be not talking about that. Then to the from date to the to date, you all know the types as this. Then to the find, I have given an on click, so we'll be not talking about that. Then for this, I have given my call 12 and a row and call 1, call 3, call 3, call 2, call 1 and call 2. Then for the first call, I have given invoice ID, second product, third buyer, fourth amount, and the fifth quantity, and the sixth is empty. Then I have for my to show what's the product that's over here, I have given this as ID of the product as a call 1. Then to show the name of the product, I have given this as a form label FS5, FW bold, text black, MT1, MB1. So don't mind about these PHP echoes because I have connected my databases also. So I'll be back with the database validation part in my next 50th video. So hang on. Then for my user's email, I have for my user's first name, I have given a form label FS5, FW bold, text white, MT1, and an MB1. Then for the total, also the same stuff, but for the main div, I have given call 2. Then for the second, for the quantity, also the same things, but call 1. Then for the call 2, what I have done is I have given this. So don't mind about these others as the if and the else if. So we'll be only using this part of the button. So in this button, I have given a BTN success, FW bold, and an MT1, MB1, and an unclick with a change status. So we'll be not talking about this change status, but for this, I have given a name called confirm order. So then when we go down our page animation, so I'm not going to talk about them, but over here what I have done is I have given the page animations that I have taken from my Bootstrap. So over here I have given these stuff as previous to the next and these two. Likewise, that's that for the page animations also. So after that I have given my scripts as the bootstrap bundle.js and the script.js, and the body is finished and the HTML is finished. So this is the design of the selling history page. So I'll be back with the validation part of this selling history page. So until that, stay tuned. So have a nice day and bye.